Hello everyone. I will talk about retail shop. Um, Possible question. One, what is a person doing? Uh, Answer. The person is helping custom and selling product through what job that this person have. This person is a shop assistant or a cashier. 3. What skills are important in retail jobs? Communication skill and being friendly and very important. 4. Do you think this job is stressful? Yes. Sometimes it's stressful because the shop is very busy.